Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add bank account to PayPal. So first step you need to do is to open PayPal. Once you open PayPal, you simply need to go on to the different options here. You go on to the finance and click on banks and cards. And once you are on this tab, here you can see that credit and debit card banks. So you simply need to click on link a bank, and on the next page you have an option to link any bank account that you want to link. So here you can see a complete list, and if you want to add any other bank, you simply need to click on search for other bank, type the name and link that with your PayPal account. So this is the process how you can add bank account to PayPal. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.